So guys, I am from there. It is in the evening and it is raining, guys. So this is my home, my real village home, guys. This is my brother's house there. Here we have sukuma wiki, and here these are some kales. They are very fresh from the garden. If you are here, you don't buy, guys. So like I am going somewhere. Usually it is a market day. I saw that I should not finish the day in the house. And the time now is 5, guys. These are the fences here. So guys, drop a comment what you think about my village. It's amazing. It's very fresh. Guys, it is green. Very lovely, guys. Yeah. Hello, what's up, guys? Here your girl Grace Girl Mission. To my returning subscribers, I salute you all. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talking live from the village. And this is how the village looks, guys. So it's drizzling. That's why I'm wearing this coffee here. It's drizzling, guys. So today was so bored in the house, and I'm wearing a jacket. And this is how the village looks. Going this side, you are going to the market, and that side I'm going to town. And I'm from that side, guys. And this is how my village looks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end, guys. God bless you. And we will continue praying to each other as God gives us the life. We are breathing. We cannot complain. Things can come the way they come, but then all time is the best time, guys. So, guys, I'm in town now. I'm in town. From the start of the video, I wanted just to buy something like guys. That's why I've come to the town, and it is an evening. Yeah. This is a small town here, and those are the small shopping centers, small kiosks, as you can see them. So guys, here is all about town. It's all about town, and this is the main shopping center, as I can say, guys. It's the main shopping center. That one there, I have stayed like 2 months without coming to the town because I was not there, guys. So this is it. Guys, watch the video until the end, because there are those ones who just subscribe and they don't you subscribe and you don't watch the video. It's like we lose subscriber because of that, guys. So please, if you want to support me, please go watch the video, like the video, and then you subscribe. Not just subscribing and then you just leave without watching. That's why we lose subscribers. We find that subscribers are reducing because of that, because you are watching videos, guys. So I appreciate the love, please. Yeah. 320. Batari show. Sera Dubai, Mare. Guys, I like to see whether I can buy vegetables, because nzanjia 이거 봤나 이래?
Ini sih.
Ya.
Ya, dia aja cikar boy.
So guys, I had to buy some vegetables. Yeah. This is the main center of our town. That's why you're seeing me doing all the shopping here, guys. Like, hope you enjoyed this video. Continue watching until the end, and God bless you. Please. So guys, I'm just back and I am heading home, guys. I've done some like shopping, walking here and there, releasing the boredom, guys, and then this is it. And then here I am almost home. That is where the camp is here actually, and this is how it looks here, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. If you have not subscribed, please go do it, because nothing comes easy. I'm just trying from here at the village, guys, and God bless you as you continue watching the video until the end, guys. So let's move on. I'm going like the hospital just down there, guys, and I really appreciate the love that you usually show me always. So I'm walking home, guys, like, and here we don't have woody roads. Expect to see this while at the village the roads are not that good. Not on there, you usually go to the church, and that's where I'm heading to my home, guys. So It's an evening, like you can see how dark it is because oh, even me I'm dark like. Ah, so continue watching until the end, guys. Welcome to another episode. Hello guys, here now we this is the vegetables that are bought from the market, and now we'll have to wash them. Like guys, these are the traditional vegetables. So now and then that's the boiling water. Usually traditional vegetables you have to boil the water, and then after washing you'll have to put the vegetables inside the boiling saucepan. So guys, drop a comment if that is usually you do it like that or you do it differently at your village, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. Continue watching until the end, guys. So guys, after finishing washing, now we have to start boiling the vegetables, and this is usually at the kitchen, dealing with firewood and fire. Dealing with firewood and fire, guys. Now the water has boiled. You see the water has boiled. We have to add some salt, guys. I love to add some salt, and the water is already boiled. After adding the salt, then we'll have to add the vegetables. We'll have to add the vegetables, guys. This is how my mama just taught me this when you are cooking traditional vegetables and you don't turn them until it is ready. So we are adding the vegetable, guys. Drop a comment what you think about this video. Do you usually do it like this at your village, guys? All at your home place? Okay, let's go on. Let's continue watching, guys. Enjoy the video. Wow. Now, guys, everything is ready. What we'll have to do after putting all the vegetables inside the saucepan, now what I have to do is to cover the saucepan and then you leave it like for 30 minutes, guys, and the vegetable is going to be ready. And you'll do with it, you'll fry it, or you will have it with ugari, or the way you want it, like, guys. This is it. This is the village. Thank you so much for coming to watch my videos. Thank you for watching yesterday's video, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much and God bless you.